Hi guys, we are going to make today a lime bread. Okay, so I'm gonna we'll start in our, okay guys, we have a 4 large egg. Here's my, and then 1 stick and 1/2 of 1.5 of butter, softened, so I cut that half. And then we need a lemon. We need 1/4 cup of lime juice, and 2 of the zest of the lemon. So I take that out from there. I use 2. And then 1 cup of milk, 2 cups and 1/2 of cake flour, and 1 1/2 of granulated sugar. And also we need a baking powder and vegetable oil. Now let's go and let's start our bread. So I would say this is like a cake bread. So I'm gonna put the butter in there. This is softened already. And then I'm gonna add my sugar. So we all need this 1 1/2 cup. Put that aside. And then we're gonna use our electric blender. Okay guys, there is, I mix the sugar and it become like a crumbs. Oh. Then I'm gonna add my lemon zest. Then we mix it. And then I'm gonna add the milk. Then now we're gonna add our egg one by one. I crack in there so to make sure that it's not gonna mix with the shell. And then another one. Uh-oh. Then you just put in there. Then we're gonna add our vegetable oil. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now we're gonna mix our dry ingredients. We're gonna need 2 cups of cake flour. We're gonna call this a loaf cake. Ayan. Tapos lagay lang natin dito. So we're gonna need 2 1/2 cup of cake flour. 2 1/2. Let's see. Okay, finished already. There we go. And then we're gonna put a baking powder, 2 1/2 baking powder, 1 2 1/2. Now we are going to put this here. never made a lime cake, so this is my first time. Okay guys, there is, you can see, makikita nyo naman na ayan, na-mix na talaga siya. Ngayon, mag-ano tayo ng ating, okay everyone, I have oil in here. I'm gonna put some oil around it. You can use butter if you want. Just put a little bit. You can use brush if you want. Then now we have a parchment paper. So what I do, I cut them half, and this one I always do this. I just have to place this here. Then now we are ready. Okay guys, I put already the cake in there, and we will see after the toothpick is clean when we put it, and then that means it's cooked. Okay guys, there is the last 35 minutes. Ayan. Wala na, malinis na siya. So, yung lutong-luto na talaga siya. The other one too. Ayan. Okay guys, ito na siya. Malamig na. So, maglalagay lang tayo ng ating frosting sa ibabaw. So we just have to flat that one. Okay, I put one in the other side. Okay. So we just have to flatten that one. It looks really pretty. I don't know if the camera will get that. Look, color in the frosting, I just love it. White, and then there's a green sprinkle on it. There you go guys, we finished that one. Then we're just gonna have to put the lime seeds in the top. There we go. There you go everyone. Our lime, I always said lemon. Lime cake frosting, cream cheese frosting. So I just used the pan loaf because of, it's easier to make this video, but you can decorate it nicer than mine. I just put it together. So there we go, guys. Lime cake. Hope you guys like it. Have a great day, everyone, and thank you for watching. Okay, guys, gagawa tayo ng frosting. Put that down. So I have half stick of butter. So we just put that in there, soften. This is perfect. So just put that there, and we have 8 ounces of butter. Oh, cream cheese. Cream cheese.
You make me yack. It's not butter, it's cream cheese. You make me yack.
Okay, ayan na.
You make me yack, mommy.
Yep.
It's not cheese. It's not butter.
So 8 ounces of...
It's not butter, it's cream cheese. It's not butter, it's cream cheese, mommy. You
Yeah.
mess up. You make
Yeah.
me yack.
It's hard to English, you know?
Oh, so funny, mommy.
So funny, Missy. Strip them all. Take it out. Take it out. Then, I'm gonna mix it. As you can see. So make sure that your cream cheese is softened, because we don't want that to turn to become a, what do you call this? Butter and water. So I'm gonna add powdered sugar. Guys, 2 tablespoons, 3. I don't want to get like over sweet. And I'm gonna add whole milk, not a lot. Just be careful that it's not going to over raise our cream cheese, because it's gonna be buttered if it's gonna be over. So I'm gonna put a little bit of lemon juice, just a little bit,
Why?
or lemon zest. We're gonna try to make this.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna put this here.
Oh, wow, I like
Put
this.
lemon zest. This is my own version of making my frosting.
Frosting, Mom, I like frosting. It's my favorite frosting. Frosting is my favorite on top of cake.
Okay, so now we're gonna blend that. I'm gonna add a little bit of milk. Make sure that your frosting is not over mixed, because it's not gonna be good. So just be careful with the frosting.
Can Peter milk?
No.
Why? Why
So there you
not?
go, guys. Ayan, titignan mo.
Can I guess one?
That is so perfect. So gagawin lang natin to take this out.
Why? I want one. Okay. Mine.
So for that mix for cream cheese, I only put I think 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, which is not that too sweet, because we don't want over sweet. So ayan, as you can see, we have perfect frosting in here. And the lemon zest is help, because we don't want to put a lot of it, because we don't want that to become curl cheese. So right now we have frosting using cream cheese and butter and milk and zest of the lemon.